hear you, Prabhu.
Uh, yeah. The question is, Krishna says that I am inside and outside. Then when he is inside and outside the world, or even within ourselves, then he should control my inside, even thinking and even everything. Then naturally the outside will become beautiful and fantastic. So when again he says that I leave it to your swabhav,
Yes, Prabhu.
then you decide what you want. So don't you think there is a contradiction here?
Okay, Prabhu, if we, in this world, if we put everybody in jail, then is it good, Prabhu? Is it going to be good? Everybody is, for any offense, anything you do, you just go and put them in jail completely and close them, everybody in the cells and lock them. Then there won't be any crimes at all, correct, in this world. If everybody is jailed completely, then there won't be any crimes. So, do you think that's a good idea? Can any government do that? Because in order to completely eliminate crimes, so they put everybody lock them in one single room, everybody. So then there won't be any crimes at all, correct? So that's what we are asking Krishna to do, like that, to force us to do, because what we have got is a free will. So that free will, we have it. Krishna cannot change our free will. Krishna cannot influence our free will. Free will is the free will. It's our freedom to desire. So by misusing of our free will, we are struggling, suffering, all those things. Krishna only can give us the knowledge. Krishna only can give us the directions, guidance, everything. But if we are not ready to accept it, if Krishna wants us to force us, because by love cannot be forced upon anyone, Prabhu, love. How can we make somebody to love someone by force? It is not at all possible. It's impossible by force. So Krishna loves us so much, and Krishna wants us also to love him so that we can go to his place. And if we are not ready to love Krishna, if we don't like Krishna, if we are envious of Krishna, then how can Krishna can of course control us by putting us like in a jail, as I said, like that. So then we will not have our free will at all. That free will is there. So we should use our free will to submit our free will to Krishna so that we can go to Krishna as well. But if we misuse our free will, then we are going to suffer and struggle in this way. So this knowledge is available for everyone. So we have to understand this fact and we should get this knowledge. That's the main thing. If you are not willing to get this knowledge, if you are not ready to accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality of Godhead, then how can we go to Krishna as well? So that's why Prabhu, so even though Krishna is there inside as the super soul, but he is overseer, he is permitter, he is Bharta, Bhokta, Maheswaraga, Upadrishta, Anumanta, Bharta, Bhokta, Maheswaraga, Paramatme iti chayuktaga degesmin Purushasam. But he cannot control our free will, Prabhu. So that is not possible. So Krishna is helpless in that regard, Prabhu. You understand that, Prabhu?